Well, again, today is Sunday, February 26th, 2023. I am at home now. Tomorrow I have to go to work, but luckily we have a holiday on March 1st. That's our Korean National Independence Movement Day. That's the when in 1919, all the Koreans erupted all together to shout, "Independence, independence! We are independent people! We want independence!" And hooray, Korean people, to shout to Japanese occupants, mostly Japanese armies and the military police. So I am super relaxed because only I have to work 2 more days. Then I will have one holiday on March 1st. As before, I would like to get more educated about contact center operations. So today I'm gonna read some esoteric glossary that is used on call centers across the world, throughout the world. And also, I would like to practice English by reading good material. So it's a dual pronged approach. It's a dual-edged sword on my part. So I'm trying to kill two rabbits with one stone. So here we go. This one is from Alvaria.com. Accelerate virtual series. Register today. Transform agent engagement with gamification. Gamification. Games. Is some kind of game, yes. Gamification. Alvaria. That's good brand, good company. By the way, I've never read this article before. I'm trying to read it, and also I really appreciate Elveria's effort to get all the glossary to be known to the world. You did a good job, and I wish the best there is for you. Glossary. The contact center glossary covers many of the most common vocabulary, measurements, and technologies related to call center software and customer experience (ACD), known as automatic call distribution or ACD switch, is the heart of call center system, answering incoming calls and then figuring out what to do next. Incoming calls and figuring out what to do next. Calls automatic call distribution. AI customer service. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that enables systems to function intelligently and independently. It automates intelligent behavior by utilizing machine learning and natural language processing to replicate human decision making. AI can correctly interpret data and learn from it to achieve defined tasks and goals. It mimics cognitive functions such as learning and problem solving, cognitive functions, intelligence functions, something that needs to be thought about before one takes actions. So cognitive functions. It mimics cognitive functions such as learning and problem solving. Auto dialer. A full-featured auto dialer offers a range of pacing options. What the? Auto dialer. A full-featured auto dialer offers a range of pacing options. Which option is best? It depends upon the nature of the call campaign and the regulatory environment where the calls are being placed. Auto dialer, regulatory environment, auto dialer, regulatory environment. Call blending enables call centers to allocate agents across context channels and through automated multi-channel blending defined by business rules. Multi-channel blending, call blending, enables contact centers to allocate agents across contact channels and through automated multi-channel blending defined by business rules. Regulatory environment, business rules, call center agent engagement. Historically, enterprises have walked a difficult line when using workforce optimization tools to keep down labor costs while trying to improve the customer experience, believing one had to be sacrificed to improve the other. Keep down labor costs. 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 Sacrifice the one to improve the other. Sacrifice one to improve the other. Aspect has broken the mold on what antiquated thinking by introducing technologies that give call center agents a much more engaging work environment, and that manifests itself in better agent performance, lower turnover or lower churn, and ultimately lower cost, while improving the customer experience, CX. Lower turnover. Call center agent engagement, CCXML, also known as Call Control XML, is the W3C standard markup language for controlling how phone calls are placed, answered, transferred, conferenced, and more. CCXML works hand in hand with voice XML to provide a 100% standards and XML-based solution for any telephony application. Call Control XML, W3C, markup language. Communications-enabled business processes, CEBP. Communications-enabled business processes is an industry term for processes within workflows that leverage an automated communications channel to perform a specific task with increased efficiency. CEBP can describe a variety of methods for embedding automated communications into existing business processes, often leveraging telecom APIs or SDKs to deliver services such as outbound phone calls, SMS messages, or interactive voice response, IVR, telecom APIs or SDKs. Let me read this one more time. Communications-enabled business processes, CEBP, Communications-enabled business processes is an industry term for processes within workflows that leverage an automated communications channel to perform a specific task with increased efficiency, leverage. CEBP can describe a variety of methods for embedding automated communications into existing business processes, often leveraging telecom APIs or SDKs to deliver services such as outbound phone calls, SMS messages, or interactive voice response, IVR. CTR technology. In the experience economy, customers seek experiences over products and services. It's not surprising that customer experience, CX, has become the differentiator between market winners and losers. A differentiator between market winners and losers. The differentiator between market winners and losers. Ensuring that your employees are well trained and have the tools to deliver remarkable experiences is vital to success. CTI, computer telephony integration. Computer telephony integration is a key component to mixing up a competitive advantage by providing memorable experiences that build loyalty and keep your customers coming back. Build loyalty, confidence, credibility, reliability. Build loyalty and keep your customers coming back. Build loyalty and keep your customers coming back. Customer support chatbot. A chatbot, aka also known as chatbot, or bot for short, is an automated conversational user experience, CUI, conversational user experience, CUI, or voice user experience, to any kind of service on the internet, as opposed to graphical user interface such as website, a mobile app, or kiosk terminal. A chatbot exposes information through text-based chat, leading a conversation with a user using natural language or a combination of natural language and buttons to advance the dialogue. Kiosk terminal, to advance on dialogue. Conversational user experience, GUI, conversational user experience. Graphical user interface, such as a website or mobile app or a kiosk terminal. A mobile app, a website. Dialogic, now a part of Intel, offers a wide range of cards that integrate telephones and computers. These cards are typically used in automated telephone platforms to provide products and services, including interactive voice response, predictive dialing, PC and Windows-based PBX systems, conferencing services, and VoIP gateways. Conferencing services, Windows-based PBX systems, predictive dialing, interactive voice response, predictive dialing, PC and Windows-based PBX systems, conferencing services, and VoIP gateways. Dialogic. Enterprise Cloud Contact Center. An enterprise cloud contact center, ECCC, is a set of cloud-based best-of-breed applications tailored for the needs of large contact centers. The majority of cloud contact center solutions are flexible, able to be quickly deployed, and continually updated with new features and capabilities applied by the vendor. There's benefits. Let me read the benefits part. The majority of cloud contact center solutions are flexible, able to be quickly deployed, and continually updated with new features and capabilities applied by the vendor. Enterprise Cloud Contact Center, ECC, Enterprise Cloud Contact Center. First Call Resolution, FCR, now often called First Contact Resolution. First, contact resolution explained to reflect the potential for the use of additional channels, for example, chat, to reach a contact center is commonly used as a key performance indicator of contact center effectiveness. FCR, first contact resolution, measures the ability of the contact center to resolve the incoming inquiry on their first attempt. To resolve the incoming inquiry on their first attempt. At no extra charge, on the first attempt. Gamification is a popular strategy used by call centers to motivate agents and create a culture where they work to continuously to meet and surpass business objectives while providing rewards and recognition. That's good term. Providing rewards and recognition. Gamification. To motivate agents and create a culture. IVR is a historically interactive voice response. Solutions have used pre-recorded voice prompts and menus to present information and options to callers and touch-tone telephone keypad entry to gather responses. Modern IVR solutions also enable input and responses to be gathered via spoken words with a voice recognition. Voice recognition. IVR application monitoring lets you know instantly when your IVR applications are experiencing downtime or quality of service issues. Rapid notification minimizes the impact downtime can have on your business. Downtime or quality of service issues. IVR application monitoring. IVR prompt recording. Finding the right voice for your IVR is an easy way to enhance the customer service experience. IVR specification. A clear IVR specifications are key to successful IVR application design and delivery. These specifications identify the various ways callers can interface with an IVR application to achieve their goals. Omnichannel customer service experience. Customers now expect to receive service from your organization on the channel of their choice. Not your choice, but on the channel of their choice, which might be voice, email, SMS/text, web, mobile, or social media. Mobile, web, SMS, text, email, voice. Companies are beginning to provide service on all of these channels, but too often those channels may exist in silos. This multi-channel service can be taken to the next level with an omni-channel solution that integrates channels to provide a consistent customer experience. Integrate multi-channel service, omni-channel service, omni-channel service. Multi-channel services exist in silos. Omnichannel service integrates all those services into one to experience a seamless experience for the customers. Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard (PCI DSS) is a proprietary standard designed by the Payment Card Industry Security Standards Council to control payment card data and reduce incidents of credit card theft. To reduce incidents of credit card theft. Sensitive data can include not just credit card numbers, but also expiration dates and CVV numbers, customer names and addresses, PIN codes, account numbers, and other data related to financial transactions. Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard (PCI DSS). Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard. Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard (PCI DSS). Proprietary standard. It's a proprietary standard designed by the Payment Card Industry Security Standards Council to control payment card data and reduce instances of credit card theft. Predictive dialers makes an outbound contact center more efficient by automating the process of placing outbound calls. The dialer algorithmically predicts when agents will be available and how long it takes calls to be answered, and adjusts the dialing rate. Agents get more live connections, increasing productivity. Agents get more live connections, increasing productivity. Makes an outbound contact center more efficient by automating the process of placing outbound calls. The dialer algorithmically predicts when agents will be available and how long it takes calls to be answered. Predictive dialers. Quality management. Call center quality management is a continuous process of call center agent interaction, monitoring, and analysis that allows you to continuously improve the quality of interactions with your customers. Robotic process automation, RPA, that's a strong point inside KT. Robotic process automation. It can make intelligent routing decisions to help ensure that your customers have the lowest wait times, take care of simple transactional issues, and perform automated administrative tasks. These all have the effect of optimizing your human workers, letting them spend more time helping customers and less time putting them on hold. Meanwhile, you save money through a lower total cost of operations, TCO, total cost of operations. Get to keep all of your highly skilled employees and end up with happier customers in the bargain. Robotic process automation. Skills-based routing, a technique used to get customers to the right call center agent to address their query. While simple automatic call distributor systems might route calls to the next available agent, irrespective of that agent's expertise, skills-based routing allows contact centers to designate call center agents as specialists in certain products or issues. Specialists. ACD, automatic call distributor systems. Skills-based routing. Not skill-based, it's a skills-based routing. Agents, irrespective of the agent's expertise. Skills-based routing. Virtual call center is often used to describe a cloud-based contact center deployment that requires no specialized hardware and allows call center managers and agents to be geographically dispersed, often including work-at-home agents, with web-based agent and call center manager desktops and soft phone technology. A computer and internet connection are all your contact center team needs. A computer and internet connection are all your contact center team needs. A computer and internet connection are all your contact center team needs is a plural. A web-based agent and call center manager desktops and soft phone technology with web-based agent and call center manager desktops and soft phone technology, computer and internet connection are all your contact center team needs. Virtual call center is often used to describe a cloud-based contact center deployment that requires no specialized hardware and allows call center managers and agents to be geographically dispersed, often including work-at-home agents. Voice biometrics. With the continued rise of identity theft and also the desire by companies to securely have customers access information as rapidly as possible, voice metrics has emerged as a way to answer these challenges and secure customer data. Voice metrics can be used alone to provide a convenient method of authentication or as part of two-factor authentication process. Two-factor authentication process as a part of a two-factor authentication process combined with something the customer knows like a password or PIN or has like a caller ID or a ANI value or credit card to provide an extra layer of security for sensitive information and financial transactions. Extra layer of security, that's good cliche too. That's good expression. An extra layer of security. Provide an extra layer of security for sensitive information and financial transactions. Voice biometrics. The continued rise of identity theft. Voice XML. VXML is the W3C standard XML format for creating an interactive voice response dialogue. Voice XML provides a framework for building standards-based voice applications with tags that support automatic speech recognition, ASR, speech synthesis, dialogue management, and audio playback. WebRTC, known as Web Real-Time Communication, is a communications standard developed by the W3C in close cooperation with the RTC web standard developed by the IETF. RTC web functions at a lower protocol layer. WebRTC enables the embedding of this functionality in applications and websites. WebRTC. WFM software, workforce management software simplifies the task of ensuring a contact center has the right call center agents available at the right time. across multiple channels, shifts, and types of expertise to achieve its expected service levels. Workforce Management Software, WFM, as the WFM simplifies the task. Workforce Engagement Management, WEM, is an approach for increasing customer service agent. Engagement management makes it easy to create great employee experiences. Engaged agents help the organization meet its business objectives in a contact center. This typically means providing outstanding customer service and meeting individual KPI targets. XML, short for Extensible Markup Language, is a flexible and structured way to define documents and information. XML is similar to HTML, the markup language used to define web pages. As its name implies, the XML standard is a foundation that can be extended to create other document and information standards. So HTML is a markup language that define web pages, while XML, extensible markup language, is a flexible and structured way to define documents and information. XML. Okay, I learned HTML on my own in 1997, 1998, but I didn't learn XML. So XML is another extensible markup language to help define documents and information in a flexible and structured way. XML, Workforce Engagement Management, WFM, WebRTC, Voice XML, Voice Response Dialogues, Voice Matrix, Virtual Call Center, or Work at Home Agents, skills-based routing instead of versus automatic call distribution, expertise, robotic process automation, RPA, total cost of operations, skills-based, quality management, predictive dialers, payment card industry, data security standards, PCI DSS, omnichannel customer service experience, IVR specification, IVR prompt recording, IVR application monitoring, IVR gamification, wallboard alerts, first call resolution. Try to resolve the issues on the first call, on the first attempt. Enterprise Cloud Contact Center, Dialogic, Customer Support Chatbot, CTR technology, Communications-enabled business processes, CCXML. That's Call Control XML, Call Center Agent Engagement, Call Blending, Auto Dialer, Omnichannel Multichannel, AI Customer Service, ACD. Well, there's quite an extensive mouthful reading. I really appreciate Alvaria's effort to give me that kind of training and information on my own. And also I learned many things, and also I practiced reading with care and intention and attention. So I really appreciate, and let's find out what Alvaria is. Who they are. global office. Let's find out the global office locations. North America offices, Latin America offices, Europe and Africa offices, and South Asia Pacific offices. Wow, they have office in Colorado, Georgia, Illinois, Massachusetts. Yes, I visited Massachusetts. Yep, I like the city. Tennessee, Orlando, Bogota, Brazil, Mexico, Puerto Rico, Germany, France, Ireland, Italy, Poland, South Africa, Spain, Switzerland, United Kingdom, Netherlands, United Kingdom, what? London and Manchester, Australia, China, Hong Kong, India, Japan, Philippines, Makati, Philippines, Singapore, regional headquarters, South Korea. Okay, so I live in South Korea, R545 Gukdong Building 50. I think a Gukdong Building is just the many polygon shaped building just in front of the Yongsan train station. 국호대로 30길 영등포구. Okay, that's different building. 영등포구 is where the national parliament is located. And the phone number, they are using the Singaporean telephone number. Country code 65 is for Singapore. Thailand. So Alvaria, that's good company. Thanks. And everybody, take care. Have a wonderful start of the week.